Let's bake some banana bread to bring abundance and comfort into your home using simple kitchen witchery techniques. Hello, my darlings, and welcome to a series that I call Bed, Bath, and Broomsticks, where I craft magical recipes for your bath and home. In this video, I'm sharing one of my favorite kitchen witchery recipes, a magical banana bread that invites abundance, prosperity, and comfort into your life. This is a family recipe handed down by my grandmother. Let's do some magical crafting. There's something truly magical about transforming simple ingredients into nourishment for both body and spirit. Today, I'm working with a banana bread recipe that goes beyond just feeding the family. It's an opportunity to weave intention and blessing into every step of the baking process. As I bake this bread, I'm creating a spell of abundance and comfort that will fill my home with positive energy. I've created a Book of Shadows page for this recipe that explains the magical correspondences of each ingredient and provides the complete recipe. If you'd like to download a printable PDF of this grimoire page, you can visit Magical Crafting on Patreon at the link below the video. The recipe is for a single loaf of bread, but in this video, I'm baking a batch of 3 loaves because I had a bundle of bananas that were overripe and ready to use. I begin by preheating my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. As I cream together 1/4 cup shortening and 3/4 cup sugar, I'm blending the energies of comfort and sweetness. Sugar draws sweetness into your life and enhances attraction spells, bringing harmony to relationships and situations. Shortening represents richness, comfort, and emotional nourishment. I focus on gratitude for the ingredients before me and the nourishment that they will provide. Next, I add 2 eggs, incorporating the life force and abundance into the mixture. Eggs symbolize new beginnings and potential. They bind our intentions together and help birth new projects and goals. Next, I'm peeling and mashing 2 bananas. The older the banana, the sweeter and softer it will be. Making banana bread is a great way to use up overripe bananas. They represent fertility, prosperity, and spiritual growth, and their natural sweetness brings joy and positive energy into the home. Bananas are wonderful for manifesting abundance in all areas of life. As I peel and mash the bananas, I add my magical intentions, stirring with intention and allowing myself to really connect with the creative baking process. The mashed bananas are added to the rest of the wet mixture and stirred or blended together. In a separate bowl, I sift together 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. combining the elements of earth, transformation, and protection. Flower connects us to the earth's bounty and represents sustenance and security, providing a stable foundation for any kitchen witchery or magical working. In fact, any ingredient can have a magical significance. The baking powder and baking soda represent transformation, rising above challenges. They can symbolize growth, expansion, the ability to lift yourself and others to new heights. The salt can act as a powerful purifier and protector, cleansing negative energy while enhancing the magical properties of all the other ingredients. Once all the dry ingredients are measured and in the bowl, I like to sift them together as I add them into the wet ingredients. As I gently fold the dry ingredients into the wet mixture, I focus on the marriage of elements and intentions I have for the bread. I also stirred in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for love and peace, but it looks like I missed filming that. Vanilla brings peaceful energy and promotes emotional healing, soothing the spirit. Setting aside the batter for a moment, it's time to chop and add a cup of walnuts for wisdom and clarity. Walnuts connect to wisdom and mental clarity, enhancing psychic abilities and promoting clear thinking. On the day I was making these loaves, I was out of walnuts, so I used up some pecans I had in my pantry. These were perfect for my intentions, as pecans draw sweetness into your life and strengthen family bonds. I chopped and added my nuts into the batter, reserving a small amount to add to the top of the loaf before baking. Each fold of the spoon is deliberate and mindful, infusing my intentions into every part of the batter. I transfer this intention-filled batter into a greased loaf pan. Sprinkling some nuts on the top and speaking a quiet blessing. As this bread rises and bakes, so too may abundance and joy rise in my life. I bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour, allowing the transformative power of fire to complete the magical working. The hour of baking is a great time to mindfully clean the kitchen and reset the energy in the space until the bread is done. When the bread emerges golden and fragrant, I know the magic has taken hold. The kitchen fills with the warm scent of abundance, and I can feel the positive energy radiating from this simple loaf. This isn't just bread, it's a manifestation of prosperity, comfort, and the sacred art of kitchen witchery. I love to share this bread with family and friends, knowing that I'm passing along not just delicious food, but blessings of abundance and joy. Each slice carries the intention I put into the making, spreading positive energy to all who partake. May your kitchen be filled with the warmth of abundance, your home be blessed with comfort and prosperity, and may you find magic in every simple act of creation.